Good evening, guys. Can you hear me? Please message me in the chat. Guys, can you hear me? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, guys, I'm not part of the main channel, right? Main group. Can you, somebody share the link in that channel? In that group, and maybe other people also will join. It will start in a 2-3 minutes, guys. In 2-3 minutes. Guys, anybody posted in that group, guys? That webinar link? Guys, can you do that one, guys? Okay, guys, let's start the session. Okay. Yesterday, we have started. We have where is yesterday one? Wait, guys. Guys, can you see this, right? Okay. Yesterday, actually, I did a small mistake while explaining this one. Okay. So how it's supposed to be work? So when there is an expression like this, like array of I plus plus. So first priority will goes to this array box, right? Like how it will be array of I equal to array of I plus 1. right guys? And for next one, array of I plus 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 plus. For this one, what will happen? First priority will go to this one, right? After it is go to inside, it will check whether it is a pre increment or post increment. So let in this case, for suppose I value is 0, right? So it is the post, so it directly take the value from here. That means it will be like this, array of 0. But what will happen after that? It is going to be increment. How it will be increment? I equal to I plus 1. So here I value will be updated to 1. So what does it mean after that? Array of 0 equal to array of 0 plus 1. Guys, yesterday I did a mistake while explaining this one. Now I hope you clear this one. Okay, guys. And guys, for which type of data types we are going to be apply this increment and decrement operators? For example, if I have given as a one double value, double A equal to 10.3 D. Let's suppose is a double value. Can we, it will be applicable for double? Yes, guys. It will be applicable for the double also. Let's suppose it is a 10.3. So what will be happen here also same A equal to A plus 1. That means it's going to be increment 10.3 plus 1. That means 11.3. In this way, it will be works. Okay. It will be applicable for the cat types. Guys, listen here. I have given a one char as a A. C plus plus. What will be happen guys here? Here the memory space will be created for C. It is A. Actually A means 65, right? A means 65. I hope you guys know about this. A means 65. What will be happen here? C equal to C plus 1. Then it is going to be 66. When we are going to be print this one, so what it will print? It won't print 65, 6 guys. It is going to be print B. Guys, understand guys? Guys, please let me know if you have any doubt regarding this. Yes, fine. So what will happen if you try to apply this one for the Boolean value? Let's suppose Boolean B equal to false. Can we apply increment operator for the Boolean value? No, guys. We can't do that. For Boolean value, it won't be applicable. You say Boolean means here. Actually, I am telling yes. In Java, in C it will work. In C it will work because I am going to tell you when I am going to be explain conditional operator. I am going to explain about that one. Okay. This is now this is basic for the only Java. In Java, the Boolean B means false. It's not a 1 or not a 0. So in Java, we will get the compile time error. But in C, it will work. In C, I'm going to be explain that one later. Sharnan, I will going to be explain that one. This is the last one. Like yesterday, I have explained about increment and decrement operators, right? Up to this is enough for the first round. Okay. Okay, guys. Assignment operators. Okay, guys. Do you know that what is mean by assignment? Assignment. Let's suppose A equal to 10. So what does it mean? In a memory space, A, the value is going to be assigned. I mean, the value is going to be stored here. This is we called as a assignment. So for assignment, we are going to be use this symbol, this operator. What this operator called? Equals operator. So let's suppose A equal to 20. What will happen? A will be, before it is 10, now it is going to be reassigned with the 20. That means the value is going to be updated here. So when we going to be use that any value, let's suppose I want to print A value. What is the last updated value here? Last updated value is 20. So it is going to be print value as a 20. This is the basic, guys. This is the assignment operator. Okay, guys. What does it mean? Let's suppose A plus equal to 10. What does it mean? It means A equal to A plus 10. Guys, try to understand this one. A plus equal to 10 means we are going to be add A to the A plus 10. This is the actual value. A equal to A plus 10. What will be happen? Let's suppose A value will be 10 initially. When we use A plus equal to 10, that means it will take value from here A, 10 plus 10 equal to 20. So finally, it is going to be assigned value. So what will be now A value? A value will be 20 here. Guys, understand this one? This is the very basic, guys. There is nothing confused here. It is very basic. The same way, let's suppose equal to 10. What does it mean? A equal to A by 10. Same way, if you do A into equal to B, what does it mean? Let's suppose it's 10. A equal to A into 10. Same way, A percentile equal to 10 means A equal to A percentile 10. It gives the reminder, guys. Guys, these are the very simple and there is nothing to confuse here. This is the very basic. Okay. Then the next one is comparison operators. Guys, comparison operators, after the compare everything, what it will give? It will give the Boolean value. It will give the Boolean value. Guys, comparison operators, it gives the Boolean value. Let's suppose there is a int A equal to 10. Let's say int B equal to 10. Let's say 20. Okay. Now what, if we compare this one, let's suppose if I want to compare this one, what type of value it will return? It will return Boolean value. So we need to store this value in Boolean only. Let's suppose Boolean C equal to A greater than B, right? So what it will, in this case, it will give false, right? So C value will be false. So there is an expression. Let's suppose there is one expression called like this. Let's suppose there is. So what will be the priority for this one? This is actual expression. What are the operators here? In this case, operators are equal to, into, greater than, and into. What are the operators here? Equal to, into, greater than this one, right? So highest priority will goes to here, these two. Highest priority, we can say 1. The next priority is goes to here, second priority. Equal to will be last priority, always last priority. Guys, in this case, let's suppose A value 10. Let's say A value 10, B value 20, C value 30, D value 40. What will happen, guys? First, how it will going to be performed? First, it will do A into B. So that means 10 into 20. This is the, so first it is going to be perform this operation. In this case, it is going to be first multiply, it gives the 200 greater than 30 into 40. Next, 200 greater than 1200. So what it will give the final value? It is the comparator, right? It will do comparison. So what is the value? It's a false. So now let's suppose here the value f equal to this one. That means it gives the false. So f is going to be stored with the false. False. This is very basic, guys. So comparison operator always gives the Boolean value. Okay. Okay. Then comes to here logical operators. These are the very basic and very important for the next loops and if conditions, guys. So what is mean by logical end? Logical end means there is a one expression and let's say another expression. When the both are true, for example, this is true, this is true, then only the final will be gives the true. Final value will be the true. Let's suppose this one is a true, this is the false. What will be the happen, guys? This value will be false. And let's suppose this is the false, this is the true. What will be the final value? Will be false. Let's suppose this is the false and this is the false. What will happen in this case? In this case also it will be false, gives the false. Guys, this is a very basic, guys. N will be applied between these two. Both are true, it gives the true value. Any one of the thing is false, it gives the false. Okay, guys. In a programming, how it will going to be calculated? Let's suppose there is a one variable Boolean C equal to, let's say C, 10 greater than 20 and 30 less than 40. Guys, what will happen in this case? In this case, it will check first. It is a true or false? It is false. In this case, compiler won't going to be check this one. This is will be omitted. Guys, when in a logical and what will happen in any one of the is false, no need to check for another. So that's why what will happen? The Boolean C, it will be false. Guys, try to understand this one. This is the very important for a first round point of view. Let's suppose given a value int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. I have given the variable like Boolean C equal to a greater than b and I have given another values here. C equal to 30 and D equal to 40. Guys, I'm going to, after that, I'm going to print the A, B, C, D values here. Guys, what will happen when we encounter this line A equal to 10? We are going to be create a one, actually memory space will be created, right? For A, it will be 10, and memory space for B, it will be 20. Value with the 20. C 30 and D 40. Guys, in this case, it is going to be taken the value from here. As of now, I'm not increment any operator, so just it will take. So it will, how it will take 10 greater than 20 and 30 less than 40. So what is the priority of this one, guys? What are the operators we have in this case? Equal to, greater than, less than, and logical and, right? What are the priority for these things? The first priority will goes to these two guys. This is the first one. Same priority these are. Second priority will goes to here. Will goes to here. And last priority will go comes to here. So how this is going to be calculated? First, it is calculated with these two values first. Then it is going to be come here. It is going to be check these values here. Second one. Then it is going to be compare these two. For example, this is the, in this case, this is the false, and it is, first of all, it is not going to be do here because it is an AND operator, right? It gives the false value. So no need to go here. It directly gives the false here. It will give the false here. C value will be the false. Okay. Guys, let's say here int A equal to 10, int B equal to 20, C equal to 30, and D equal to 40. Guys, there is a Boolean operator, Boolean F equal to A plus plus greater than plus plus B and C plus plus and plus D. Let's suppose this is a question. So what will happen in this case? First memory space will be created here for A, 10, for B, 20, same as C and D. Right, guys? Guys, let's tell me what will happen when it comes to here. It will check what type of operator it is, right? A plus plus means first it is the pre or post. It is the post. So it directly access the value. It gives the 10 here. Then it is going to be increment. It is going to be increment as 11 here. Then what will happen? It comes to here, right? Plus B. It is the pre or post. It is the pre. So it will first increment here. How it is going to be increment? B equal to B plus 1. So value will be updated here, 21. Though that value comes to here. Right? It is going to be checked 10 greater than 21. And guys, in this case, it will check it is true or false. It is a false. So what will do AND operator? It is not going to be calculate remaining things, guys. it is not going to be calculated here. So after that, if you, what will be happen? In a AND case, if at least one is a false, that means the entire case, entire statement will be false. So that means the F value will be stored with a false, right? F value here false. So if you going to be print the A, B, C, D values, what will print, right? Guys, what will print? A value will be 11, B value 11, B value will be 21, and C value will be 30, and D value will be 40. Why? Because it is not updated. It didn't came here. After uncheck, it is not come to here. No need of checking, right? Once it is a false, that means it is a false. The entire statement will be false. In that, no need to check for other one. Let's suppose it is a true. In this case, it's supposed to be comes here and it's supposed to check for whether it is a false or true. That way it will comes here, it will do other operations. But in this case, already it is a false, so no need to check this one. So it directly gives the its value. Guys, understand, guys? Guys, are you clear? Please let me know in the chat. Guys, please let me know in the chat. Understand and can I explain again? Okay. Okay. And next one is logical OR. Logical OR. What will happen when logical OR means? Let's suppose this is the one expression. This is the one expression. There is between one logical OR operator is there. What will happen if suppose this is a true? This is a true. Final will be true. Final result will be true. Let's suppose this is the false. This is the true. The final result will be true. It is the true. And this will be, for example, let's, this will be false, then final will be true. And both are false. In this case, it will be false. Guys, how logical will operator will work? It will check, going to be check at least one is the true. That means it will be, entire expression will be true. Both are false. In that case only it is going to be false. Guys, understand this one? Logical OR, this is a very basic. Guys, let's say here another example. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to 30, and D equal to 40. Let's suppose Boolean F equal to A plus plus greater than plus plus B, or guys, what will happen in this case? First it comes here, it will check pre or post. It is a post, right? So it is not going to be increment first. It will take its value, then it is going to be increment. Its value will be 11 here. Value will be 11 here. Next, what is this? Pre or post? It is a pre. First it is going to be increment its value, and after it will take. Now it will check. It is the gives the value. What is the final value from here in this two? It is the false. So it's supposed to be true, right? It is going to be. Will check next case. I mean next statement. What will be here? C plus plus. That means it is the pre or post. It is the post. So it directly take its value. After it is going to be increment here. The same way. This is also post. So first it will take the value and going to be increment here. So this is the false or this is the false. Both are false. Its final value will be false. Guys, understand this one? Okay. Okay, guys. Now from now I'm giving you some questions. Do by your own and give me the solutions. Wait, guys. Guys, do your own and let me know. Post in the chat box. Please try your own, guys. You have a 2 minutes time. Guys, you have 2 minutes time. Please do. Please do by own. Guys, if you have to print here AB and CD both are check for this and please let me know. Okay, guys, I will explain you now. So what will be happen when comes to here? Memory space will be created, guys. This is for A, 10. For B memory space, B will be 10. When it comes to here, it is what type of expression, guys? This is the pre or post. It is the post. So directly it will take its value. So what will happen here? 10 equal to 10, but it is 11 here. It is true. So it won't goes to here. So directly here print system dot out dot println AB. First AB what will print? 11 and 10. So what will happen in this case? C and D. The same thing which will work. It will happen, right? This is also 11 and 10. Just understand this one. Okay. The next question will be, wait a second, guys. Let's solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time. Guys, you can see this one, right? Try to solve this one. You have a 2 minutes time. Guys, done now? Okay, guys, most of the done, given the right answer only. The next question. Okay, that is enough, guys, for this one. And the next topic would be ternary operator. Guys, what is mean by ternary operator?
Bro, if expression 1 was expression 2 is printed,
Yes, yes.
expression 1 was false, expression 3 is printed.
It's going to be used if condition. Let's suppose what will happen if there is an expression here, it gives the true. Wait a second. Let's suppose it is a true. It will comes here. It will comes to here, the first one. If it is a false, it will comes here. So instead of this one, we can simply use this one. What does it mean? Here it will be the one expression. It will give the true or false. Yes, yes, yes. It will give the true or false. Let's suppose it is a true. Expression 1 is a true. Expression 1 is a true. In this case, what will goes? It returns the expression 2. If expression 1 is false, what will happen? Expression 3, it will give the expression 3. This is the very simple and precise one. Instead of to go for the if else, it is the best, and we can done it by a in single line. Guys, this is the very important, guys, conditional statements. Actually, how many conditional statements we have? We have only 2 conditional statements. That is if the next one is a switch. Guys, these are very important. Without if else conditions, switch cases, we are not going to be write anything. These are very, very important. Okay. What will happen? How it will be supposed to be like this? If here the expression will be there, it will give true or false. True or false. If it is a true, it will come inside. Right, guys? It is going to be first, it will check here. It will go. It is whether it is true or false. If it is the final value will be true, it will come inside. If not, it will won't go inside. That is the very simple. There is a lot of things here is there with if else, if else if. I'm not going to be teach here, guys. These are who you can learn by your own these things. Okay, what will happen? How exactly? What is the syntax for this one? It will start with the if, and this is the basic syntax, guys. Let's suppose here in a equal to 10, b equal to 20, a plus plus greater than b plus plus. Guys, in this case, it will go inside. It won't go inside, right? Why? Because it is going to be in here, it will comes to a value will be 10, b value will be 20. It is the false, it won't go inside. This is a very basic. So everybody knows about this one. But there is another thing everybody is supposed to should know about that one. What that is? If there is an expression, if the must and should, they're supposed to be curly braces, guys. If not means what does it mean? It will take only the next statement. Only the next statement. For suppose here system dot it is one a print statement. Here another print statement. Let's suppose it is another print statement. After if condition, there is a three print statements. What is the which one is belongs to if condition, guys? Which is the immediate next? What is the immediate next to the if condition? This one. This is the immediate next to if condition, right? So it is the part of that actual if condition. That means this is the print one. Other will be not part of the print statement, guys. This is the very important, guys. In the first round, questions will be based on these things only. Okay. They won't give you curly braces here in the first round. They won't give you curly braces. They directly gives the like this. They will give if condition without giving the curly braces. They have given the print statements. Let's say there is a three print statements. But what will happen? The only when there is no curly braces here, no curly braces, right? Excuse me, Ram. Do you have? Are you facing any issue, guys? Yes, Ram is continuously joining and. Guys, you can hear me, right? Let me know in the chat. Guys, you guys can you hear me, right?
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Yeah. Okay. So what we have to check when there is an if condition, we have to check the whether it has a curly braces or not. If there is no curly braces, that next immediate statement. Let's suppose here the print statement, that is the immediate statement after the if. So that immediate first statement will be belongs to the if, others are not belongs to F, belongs to
Bro,
if
without
statement.
curly braces, how the condition check will be
Yes,
happen,
yes.
bro?
Let's suppose I will give you the one simple thing here. Let's suppose here int a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Here if a greater than b, system dot out print a, print b. So in this case, what will happen? Which is going to be print and which is going to be print here, which is going to be not print. What will be the output, guys, here in this case?
Bro,
Guys,
20.
yes, 20 will be the output. Okay, guys, we'll give you some examples to try that. Okay, guys, here I'm giving one simple example. Try to solve that one. Int a equal to 10, if a greater than 20, a plus plus, a plus plus, system dot out dot println of a. What will be the final output? Like what a going to be print here? You have a 2 minutes time, guys. Try to do that. Okay, guys. Let's suppose here int a equal to 10, if a plus plus greater than 20, a plus plus, a plus plus, system dot print a. Guys, in this case, what will going to be print? Yes. Guys, do you understand this concept, guys? This is the very basic and very, very important, guys. Everybody knows when there is a curly braces. If nobody gives the curly braces, that means people going to be confused here. So you have to check for the first curly brace whether available or not after the if statement. If there is no curly braces, then you have to take immediate next statement here. Actually, what does it mean? How it will be? This means these two conditions equal to this one, guys. If a plus plus greater than 20, a plus plus. This is the equivalent one. Guys, I'm going to be explain here. Initially here, a value is 10. Guys, when it comes to if statement, what will happen? It is going to be checked pre or post. It is the post. So what will be taken? A value will be taken here, but a value will be increment here. Right? A value will be 11 here. So 10 greater than 20 is true or false? It is a false. So it is not going here. It will comes to here. Again, it is going to be increment. What does it mean? A equal to a plus 1. That means it will be 12. So finally, when print statement comes, so a will be print. It will take the last updated value. What is the last updated value before this one? 12, right? So 12 is going to be print. Yes, understand this one? Okay, guys. Then other tricky thing is here, when there is an if condition, it is going to be checked for the curly braces. Sometimes what will happen after if they won't give any curly braces, they directly give semicolon. That means, what does it mean? The if statement as empty lines. There is nothing between this. So what is the equivalent for this one? This is the equivalent for this one. After if condition, the next immediately we have a semicolon. In this way, it is going to be do like this, guys. You have to understand this one. Let's solve this one. Int a equal to 10. If a plus plus greater than 20, a plus 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 a, print a. Guys, what is going to be print here?
Bro, 13, bro.
Yeah, please. You have a 2 minutes, guys. Please try to do that. Okay, very good. How it will work, guys? Initially, memory space will be created for a. Next, it comes to here if condition. It's going to be checked whether it is a pre or post. It is a post, so directly it will be take its value as a 10. After it is going to be increment by 1. So now this value will be 11. So 10 greater than 20. It is supposed to be if condition. It is going to be checked. How it will be checked? What type of whether curly brace is available or not. There is no curly braces. What we have? We have semicolon. That means it has no statement. It has if condition only with the empty statement. It is the equal statement, equal entry, guys. So next it will come to here. Again a plus plus. So it is going to be increment 1 by it comes to 12. And here also it is going to be increment by 1. It is the 13. So finally value will be 13. Guys, do you understand this one, guys? Okay, fine, super. So for the if condition, you have to check 2 things, guys. First thing, whether it has a curly braces or not. If no curly braces, what will be the next statement? Immediate next statement. If after the braces, there is no curly braces, then it is going to be checked for the whether it has any semicolon or not. What is the equivalent statement this for this one, guys? If only the one statement, after next. Yes, yes. It will treat like this empty. Guys, understand, guys? Yes, yes. Okay, guys. This is the very basic and you have to understand this one. For if you have to remember these 2 things, these 3 things. These are very, very important. Okay, guys. Next one, what is the next condition statement? That is the switch case. Guys, do you know, right? What is mean by switch? The same way it is there is a switch. How it will be? What will be the syntax? Yeah. What will be the syntax? First, it is comes to case. And sometimes it has a break. The break. And default. There's a break. Guys, this is the basic thing, guys. It will be some variable, let's say some variable here. Let's suppose it's a variable. How it will be checked? Let's suppose here b value will be 1. It is going to be checked where the b value will be available. It is here, it comes to here. When where the value, the b value matches here, it matches the 1, it is going to be here. For example, let's suppose it's the b value is 2, it comes to here. If It doesn't match with any case. It directly go to the default, guys. So I'm giving you one imaginary thing here. Let's suppose take it as imaginary thing here. Let's suppose these are the rooms. You have a key. You have a one key. Let's suppose key. So when door will be open, guys? When it matches with the key, right? Let's suppose this is the case one. This is the two. This is the three default. If it is a match one, it will goes here. Otherwise, if it matches two, it will goes here. It matches three, it goes here. If doesn't match, it will go to default. Guys, understand? Do you understand, right? This is very basic. Yes, yes, yes. Guys, one important thing you have to remember here, the break. How break will work. Guys, break means, right? When we encounter the break, that means you have to come out from the switch case. Let's suppose I have given a int a equal to 2. The switch off a. Let's suppose it is a case 1. The some print statement, it's a break. The case 2, it's some statements, it's a break. If a value will be 2, right, it will comes here. When its break will appear, if there is a break, it directly comes out from this switch. Let's suppose there is a number of cases, case 100. Let's suppose where the actual variable, let's suppose this constant is going to be match here. It comes to that room. Let's suppose this is the statement. Let's suppose a value will be 2. It comes here. When there is a break, it will be comes out. If there is no break, what will be happen? It is going to be next case. Whether here it is check whether is a break is available or not. If there is no break, it is going to be next one like this. From 2 to 3, it will go. It will check whether it has a break. If no break, then it is go next one. After that, it is next one. When there is a break first comes, until it is going to be execute all the statements. Understand, guys? Super. And one more thing you have to remember here. These order, guys. It is not necessary to maintain the order. We can write case 1 as a anywhere. Default also we can write as a first anywhere. There is no need to maintain the specific order. We can write as our wish. That is not a problem, guys. Okay, guys, this is it simple, and I'm going to be given some questions. Please solve those questions. Guys, you can see, right? Please try to solve this, guys. Here I value is 10. What is going to be print here? Guys, check this one. Message me in the chat. Okay, guys, fine. Let's suppose here I value is 40. Now in this case, what will going to be print? If I value 40, what will be the output? Default. Excellent. Okay, guys. Solve this one. Solve this one, guys. Guys, what will be the, yeah. Okay, guys. Guys, somebody, Sarvanan, that won't be 15, 20. Like you have given integers, right? It's supposed to not like that. You have to given the exact thing. Here, 15, you have to write it down in a paper as a 15. 20 as a 20 in a as a string you have to give. Okay, guys. Another question will give. Wait a second. Guys, you can see, right? Guys, what will be the output, guys, in this case? Guys, try to solve this one, guys. You have 2 minutes time. Guys, give the this value, guys, sum. What is the sum value? It's going to be print. Give that value, that is fine. What is the sum value it will be? Okay, guys, fine. Guys, do you know how it will work? First, it will take I value here 50. It is going to be checked whether any case it matches with the 50. There is no matching. So it will comes to default. Default here is the first one. So it will comes here. The initially sum value will be 0. Right? After here it will comes, what will happen? Sum equal to sum plus 100. So now sum value will be 100. Next it will come, there is no break statement here, so it will come to next one, next case. Here sum equal to sum plus 1. So what will be happen here? 110. It is going to be checked whether break is available. There is no break, so comes to here. Here sum equal to sum plus 20. So final value here 130. There is a break. When we have a break, it is going to be comes out of that switch statement. It comes to here, it is going to be print system dot out dot println of sum. What is the sum last updated value? That is 130. So 130 is going to be print here. Guys, understand, guys? Okay, guys. Okay, in Java, let's suppose in Java, we can give here switch value, this value, we can give any constant. Let's suppose like int value or string value. Both it will be, we can give int, whether it is a int, whether it will be string, both will be acceptable. Int and string. Let's suppose they have given a one string. Yeah, let's suppose string A. It's the variable, let's suppose A. It will be, case is supposed to be start like this, guys. Case of A and case of B. Like this it would be. Right? Guys, here we need to give only int. Double it won't accept, guys. That's why I told you exactly int. If we give here some 10.5, it will get we will get the compile time error, guys. Even if you give the byte also, we will get compile time error. Here we supposed to give only int. Only int. That's why I told you int instead of the number. Understand, Ramesh? Okay, guys. This is the okay, guys. This is up to conditional statement. Okay, guys. Tomorrow I'm going to be explain about iterative statements and transfer statement. These both are very, very important, guys. Iterative and transfer statement. Based on this one, you will get at least 3 to 4 questions. At least three to four questions from this you will get in a first round. First increment decrement operator, at least 1 2 questions, guys. And conditional statements, that's also part of the iterative statement. So you will get from this at least, I can say, minimum 5 to 6 questions total which will be come in a first round. So as of now, what I have told you, if you repeatedly practice, you will get definitely you will get the full marks, guys. 100% you will get the full marks. And tomorrow I am going to be tell about iterative statements and written statements. I mean session. Second one will be transfer statements. This is going to be explained in tomorrow's class. That is very, very important. And after that, I am going to be explain about functions and recursion. For this one, after this one, you can able to easily solve at least 8 to 9 questions out of 10, guys. So try to attend the classes regularly. If you miss now, you only going to be lose. Guys, try to understand. Yeah, I will share this one as well. I will share the questions as well. Guys, try to post this. I mean, I'm not part of the original channel, right? Please try to share our group link in that channel, guys. So more people will join and more people will be benefit from this. Okay, guys. Do you guys do you have any other doubts, guys? Please let me know. Let's wind up the session. Guys, do you have other queries, guys? Okay, guys. Guys, I will share how many sessions. Guys, I already told you this is the 4 week. This is the 4 week continuous. Every day I will take. The first week is completely about the first round. Second and third, it will be for the second round. I mean, second round level 2. And fourth week, it will be application development. This is the thing. Those things is not required. As of now, I didn't see the question from this. If you here I already explained about logical and logical F, that is enough to understand to solve the questions, guys. Guys, if you want to explain everything now, it won't be possible to complete entire thing in the 4 weeks, guys. What is the really important for the to crack the Joho? I'm going to be explaining here. Other than that, I'm just explaining. I'm just vomiting. That is the thing. Actually, the main difference between this is the logical end, this is the normal end, guys. So what will be happen in this case? Let's suppose it is going to be for, let's suppose there is a one expression, here another expression. If you apply this one, first it will check whether it is the true or false. Then it is going to be next. For example, if a true, it will goes to here, it is going to be checked. If both are true, it will give the final value. But what will be happen in this case? Only single and that means let's suppose 4 and 2. In this case, what happened? It is going to be convert the binary. What is the binary value for the 4? 1 0 0. What is the binary value for 2? 0 1 0. The AND operation will be performed 0 and 0. What is the AND, guys? Is it 0? 0 1, it is 0. 1 0, it is 0. The final value will be 0. This is the only difference. Guys, this is the very basic thing. I didn't see any questions based on this one, guys, in the first round. So that's why I'm not telling about this one. Okay, guys. I will share this link. I will share this material as well in the group. Try to, when you have a time, you just practice this one, guys.
Okay, bro. Thank you, bro. Bye bye.
Okay, bye, guys.